Hello, guys. A lot of you, we can't see your website because it's not published yet. If it's not published, we can't go and view it. So what you want to do, so go to your home page, your main page of your Let's Give a Hoot website page, and then you want to go up here and look at these things. So look, it says can't copy link for unpublished site. My site is not published yet. Okay, so what I'm going to do is hit this button right here, publish. Okay, it makes me give a name for my website. There we go. Yep. And then, okay, then it should be published. Your site has been published successfully. Then you should be able to get a link now. So you copy that link here. Copy link, and then that's what you'll go and turn in onto Canvas. Okay, you can also do share with others. Okay, and you can make sure that anyone at Jordan District View can view it. Okay, and then make sure it's not just locked down to us. So now that's published, we'll be able to see it. And that's what you need to do to turn in your Let's Give a Hoot project.